guys, look! I have cake. Ayan, Ate Maya, thank you. So guys, kain tayo guys. Habang hindi pa naluluto yung aming lunch food. Ang sarap.
Thank you, Ate.
And then, ito yung soft drinks. Ate, thank you. Guys, ang ulam namin ngayon is chicken. So guys, si Nels guys is nagsasaing pa habang nag-aantay kami maluto. Ayan, kain na tayo. Yes, kain ka na. Kuha ka na, kain ka. Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hi, Ate. Thank you. Craving satisfied.
Craving satisfying. Sarap.
Kakasabi lang ng Goldilocks.
Sarap. Kasasabi ko lang kanina guys about cake.
Masarap talaga. Ate, thank you.
Ate Maya, shout out! Thank you! Sarap.
Masarap talaga.
Sarap.
Chocolate na.
Guys, thank you for watching.